So Shauna, we've got some products sitting here.
Yes.
Why do you have these sitting here? Is this what you send people home with right away, or is this something down the line? What's the trick?
This is the Magic Trifecta. If your clients come in with sensitive or sensitized skin, this is the route I always go for the retail home regimen kit. I always suggest the quiet wash. Of course, anyone can use the quiet wash. It's not going to harm or hurt them. However, over the process, it will help with barrier repair. So definitely a need for that. The Hush Hydrate gel also calms and soothes. I suggest that as a daily moisturizer, a daily mask that sometimes people use. And then of course, it wants its little friend, the Relief Bio Powder, because these are hero products together, to relieve inflammation and itchiness. So if clients come in and you do not know what to do with their skin, they have rosacea, eczema, even psoriasis, a little bit on the face sometimes.
A little bit of acne for some of your teens. There's like this
inflamed rashes, hives. I've seen it all in my treatment room. This trifecta is where they start, and within 30 days they can see a wonderful progress. The barrier has repaired, and then you can move them on to more of the product line or even more aggressive treatments in your treatment room.
Oh, and also with these 3 products, just like our other duos with the Hush Hydrate and the Bio Powder, you save 20%. So an easy way to get your clients started is if you bought these separately, this would be X amount of dollars, but I'm so nice as your esthetician, we're gonna extend that to you. So, it's a great way to get them started. They're gonna go through the Hush Hydrate faster than they go through the Bio Powder.
Absolutely.
But it's gonna be a duo, then they'll keep coming back to buy more.
Exactly.